Hi, my name is Louis and I'm making a top-down RPG similar to the old Zelda games. I haven't done too much since last time, I've only done NPCs, NPC schedules and pathfinding, rough draft of the main map, clothing and armor, houses, a skill system, dialogue, cutscene manager. This one took way too long and still isn't finished, dialogue again because the first one was bad, and then I did saving and loading, which you can get on my Discord server. Not too much. I know that sounds like a lot, but we're going to be going through it really quickly. We're going to start off with the NPC system, so let's just get right into it. The NPC visuals are done in the exact same way as they are for my enemies. If you're interested in that, watch my first video. But let's take a look at the scheduling system. Here we have the day in a life of a fisherman in my lovely game here. So as we can see, the fisherman begins walking from his home at 7 o'clock every day, and he will then go down to his fishing area. Now, how do I assign all these different events? Well, it's actually just an array filled with scripts where I want them. So, as you can see, the fisherman begins fishing here. That is a script, right? So it's like gofishing.gd. And I just input that in the array, and then he does that, right? So I have it very modular. You see, I'm just speeding it along here so that I can wait until it's 9 o'clock, because then he's gonna go over to the mayor's house. So let's see this, and as you can see, he begins walking, and soon we're at the mayor's house. So that's how that works. The pathfinding is very simple and works with a navigation 2D. If you're more interested in that, join my Discord server. But we have limited time, so let's move on to my clothes and armor system. This is also pretty simple. It's just more item slots in my inventory. If you notice, I've also changed my inventory. There's now 6 hotbar slots instead of 3, and it doesn't like slide up, it's just its own screen. Moving on to the skill tree. Here you can see the skill tree working. Now, this actually works really simply. Each skill box there you can see has a export array which has all the skills you want it to connect to, and when the game starts it's going to shoot out lines, and then when you buy it it's going to unlock all of the connected ones, and that's it. Now the next problem was saving and loading, and saving and loading is a difficult topic because there's a lot of information you need to store. You also have to make sure that the player can't just edit it, so they can just type in gold 1 million and then, buy all the best gear. So to do this, I used a very simple function inside of Godot, which is just open encrypted with pass. Fixed all my problems. Here we have a quick little demo of the inventory system. You can see I'm messing up my inventory here, and I'm gonna walk over to some monsters, kill them, then I'm going to close the game. Now, it's going to save my inventory, position, and what scene I'm in. You can see it takes a little while to load in. That's obviously temporary. Here you can see me making a cutscene with my simple cutscene manager. Now, as you can see, I'm entering the player, typing in some text. There's also some advanced options, but these only work in the editor for now. This is using Game Endeavor's Graph plugin, which you should definitely check out on his Patreon. It's great. But let's see the cutscene in game. So as we can see, we have the simple cutscene I've made right now. I obviously have more stuff planned for this cutscene system, like changing the weather, spawning objects, all that good stuff. Did I mention I've made a weather system? Didn't mention that in this video, but I've done that. But that is stuff I've already done in other projects, so I can just copy the code over and then I'm finished. Music is running out, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Click on the videos on the screen and I'll see you next episode. Bye bye.